Hello and welcome to another edition of UFO Video Addicts. Let me give you a preview of what I got coming up in this video. The first is a video that was taken by the University of Arizona. Their atmospheric sciences cloud camera captured this cigar-shaped craft last night. Also have this footage from the International Space Station of fleets of UFOs heading over the North Pacific Ocean. Also have this video of a strange craft flying through the Norwegian skies. And I also have this video here of a UFO hovering in the Arizona desert. And this is another video of the cigar-shaped craft that we keep seeing. I'm telling you, these are being used by our underwater neighbors. Let's see, this is a video from 1944 showing a UFO at a volcanic eruption. And this is a strange video here. It shows a bunch of birds just falling out of the sky. And I think this happened in Mexico. Yeah, thousands of birds fall from the sky in Mexico. Check that out. And also have this article here about Cydonia, Mars, is an exact replication of Stonehenge. And according to this map here, this is Mars and this is Stonehenge. And yeah, you can see that these things do line up. But anyways, there's that. And then last is this video here that just shows what ancient Greece looked like. And, you know, my contention is, where did the people learn to build stuff like this? Where did, you know, because all of this stuff requires advanced math, advanced architectural skills. We know that they were using sacred geometry, the golden ratio, the Fibonacci sequence, whatever you want to call it. They were using a very advanced form of mathematics and engineering in order to build these structures. And like I've said, there's no evidence in the archaeological record to show that there was a progression to this state. Like, these are the first buildings that these people put up, which is why I believe they must have come from another planet. And they brought all of their knowledge and skills with them, and they just set up here on Earth. Anyways, let's go to this first video here. Now, this was just posted recently. You can see it was just an hour ago. Now, I'm going to, again, play the whole thing because, you know, these things usually disappear. But anyways, check this out. Well, that's that. Again, it has to be one of our neighbors. Anyways, let's go to this video here. Now, this is taken from the International Space Station, and I think it's 3 different sections. And I believe that this little illustration here in the corner is where the space station is in relation to Earth. You can see this is the West Coast. Here's Mexico. But I believe that that's what, you know, this is showing where the satellite is at. But anyways, check this out. You can see a group of lights moving over here on the top of the screen. So there's that. Let me just jump ahead too. You know, I believe this is a different time because you saw how that page peeled away. So there's that one, and I think there's one more here. See, So, this type of activity is occurring above our heads constantly. Now, I've been making these videos for a long time, and again, this isn't the first time that I've come across, a video like this taken by the International Space Station, which again tells me that these crafts are not all visiting, that the majority of them are coming up out of our oceans. Anyways, link will be in the description. Let's see, this is a video from Norway, just taken on the 11th, a couple days ago. Check this out. Yeah, now that is not a comet. That's some type of advanced craft. Anyways, this video just keeps repeating itself. Link will be in the description. Let's go to this one here. Now, this is from February 12th. Now these videos are all very, very recent.
Just hovering. Just hovering right there. Weird things in the fucking desert, man. Holy sheep shit. The other day we saw something look like a human being crouching down, but it was no human being, and now this.
Did you hear what she just said? That they saw something that looked like a human being crouching in the desert, but it wasn't a human being. Now they see this. Yeah, I've been making these videos for a while now, and it's obvious to me that these UFOs are being seen every single day somewhere on planet Earth. Every day. Which again tells me that these aren't all visiting. Let's see, let's check out this video here. Now this is from 2020. Yeah, you can see this thing is spinning. Again, there are hundreds of these videos of these cigar-shaped UFOs. They're being used by our underwater neighbors. Anyways, this video here is from 1944. And let's see, I think this is a long video. And, in the middle, you see it here at the beginning and then right at the end. So let me just play this part here where you see this little craft here. Yeah, look at that. I mean, you can plainly see that that's a UFO. And this is from 1944, and like I said, there are so many videos of UFOs coming in and out of volcanoes, and they're not coming from other planets, or they're not coming from the future or from another dimension. Again, it's obvious to me, based on the number of videos of crafts coming in and out of volcanoes, the stories of UFOs shutting down our nuclear facilities, right? They aren't coming from the future. They're not coming from a different dimension or from another planet in order to monitor us. They're doing it because they're trying to protect the planet that we share with them. Anyways, a link to this will be in the description. Let's see. Now, yeah, this is a strange one here of a bunch of birds. But you can see here, it's a bunch of birds that just fall out of the sky. Check this out. Wow, did you see that? That the whole cloud of birds just came crashing down here. That's definitely a strange one. Anyways, link to this will be in the description. Let's see, I have this article here about Cydonia Mars as an exact replicate of the Stonehenge. Was there a lost civilization on Mars which intimately links with older civilizations from ancient Earth? Yeah, that's what I think. Cydonia Mars is one of the most remarkable landmarks on our neighboring red planet. In 1976, the Mars Viking orbiter photographed what seemed to be a series of artificial structures which included pyramidal figures, a five-star pyramid, and an ancient sphinx type of face. Richard Hoagland, ex-NASA consultant, believes that the images show artificial structures created by a higher intelligence which NASA as team doesn't even admit to these strange anomalies. Richard claims that there are artificial buildings on Mars. An ancient race of intelligent beings once built an ancient site which parallels with some of the discovered ancient sites right here on Earth. So yeah, so here you can see by this photo, this is Cydonia Mars and this is Stonehenge. And it does look very, very similar. But, you know, I'm a firm believer that, that the people that occupied the Mediterranean, for instance, the Etruscans, the Mycenaeans, the Minoans, go look at their architecture, right? There's absolutely no indication that those people progress to a state where they're able to build structures like this. Right. These buildings were made using sacred geometry, using the Fibonacci sequence, using the golden ratio. Okay, this is advanced math. You need advanced engineering skills to build places like this. Let me just go back and play this here. Yeah, look at this town. Now, do you honestly believe people who were hunter-gatherers just woke up one day and literally started building these things? Because that's what the evidence indicates, right? There is absolutely nothing in the archaeological record to show how these people progressed to this state. Right? Like, yeah, these buildings here, this is not something that a first-year architectural student makes. Okay, this is advanced engineering. The people that made this had an understanding of, of many different concepts, engineering, architectural, mathematical concepts, right? This isn't something that hunter-gatherers just figured out how to do overnight. I believe that the people that built these structures must have come from Mars. And like I said, Mars is also, it's further from the sun. So I bet you the people on Mars didn't need melanin in their skin. Which is why, again, the people that are occupying this part of the Mediterranean, lots of sun, but they sunburn. That doesn't make any sense to me. But anyways, link to this will be in the description. That is going to be it for this video. If you like things like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll have more things like this. Take care.